Hello and welcome back to Xlookup. We are back with one more video of XLOOKUP. That is the part 2. There will be a series of around 5 videos on XLOOKUP. Well, XLOOKUP has an inbuilt feature of if error. That means I've got Ramesh and the age shows as 25, hence I've taken D14, the vlookup value, the vlookup array, D6 to D10, and then the array for the result, E6 to E10. Now if I change the name from Ramesh to Rakesh, it shows 23, which is right. But what if I take a name which is not there in the list? Say I take Rajesh, it shows as #n/a, which is an error. So let us see how we can change the error to either no space or something else like free text. After adding the return array, you just need to add 2 inverted commas, and if you want to put anything in between, you can add data over here. If I don't do anything, it comes as blank. But if I add OK as not found, it shows as not found. So when I add Rakesh, it is giving 23. If I'm adding Sachin, since Sachin is not in this list, it shows as not found. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, make Xlookup famous. Thank you very much. Muito obrigado.